Woo, Megs! Megs just put a freaking stalk on this buck that we just found, baby. She just put a stalk down on this buck, dude. Hell yeah. Dude, he was tucked off in there, man. We'll be back, guys.
Hey guys, so I just stalked the buck. He's down. I just stalked him like 150 yards. We spotted him and he was just eating corn, just chilling, and I'll go check him out. That was so cool. I've never stalked a whitetail buck before. Very cool. Look at what he looks like.
Megs,
Done.
how about putting a stalk?
Got it done.
Put a stalk on the buck in the flat, son.
I was like, I'm gonna get to this yellow tree. I'm gonna get to this yellow tree. I'm gonna get to this yellow tree. And it was freehanded. I had nothing to put it on. Woo! That was freaking cool. He's big bodied. Like, we're gonna fill the freaking tree. Beautiful. Look at that. He literally, I saw his ass for like forever and I couldn't find him. He wouldn't come back out. He was just standing here and he had his ass out. So as soon as I was close enough and I saw a shoulder, his head was down. Like I was like, I hope it's the same deer. Because his big body was the same, but I was hoping it wasn't just a big bodied doe. He's fine. That's badass. Oh, he's so handsome.
That's a big deer, Megs.
He's big. He's a big boy. Yeah, shoulder shot. Right there. Straight through his shoulder. Look at that. I stalked a whitetail.
Heck yeah.
Thank you. You're gonna be very tasty. He's huge. One, two, three.